Hey everybody, sorry about the lack of a camera today. I've just kind of cannibalized it to strap to my DSLR so that way I can do the live stream that I promised you guys in last week's video. You're watching instead the live stream that I did while I was waiting for the 1,000 subs to come in, and thank you guys so much for that support. The first 1,000 subs it's really like your first milestone in getting YouTube to be a thing. And seeing that all the hard work is starting to pay off and that people are starting to recognize this channel exists, it feels good, man. So thank you guys so much for that support. Up in the top right corner any second here, there's going to be an iCard that allows you to vote on which day you would like the art stream that I promised to be on. It'll be sometime like 5 or 6-ish on Central Standard Time on whatever day you guys pick on the first week of April.
The stream will be on this channel.
It's only going to be weekdays because I work on weekends and I just won't be able to do it on a weekend. I'm very sorry about that. Hopefully you guys can pick a day that the most number of people can show up for. But anyway, thank you guys for the support. There will be links down in the description as well as the top pinned comment on what stuff you need if you want to follow along with the painting that I'm doing. You're more than welcome to do whatever painting you feel like doing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys again, and I will see you guys there hopefully. And if not, I'll see you guys in a couple weeks for the next Artcade video. Oh, also, I was thinking about moving the videos over onto Sundays, just that way I can have the extra time to get things ready for the video, so that way I'm not competing with myself on Saturday, and I'll work it out on the live stream. I'll let you guys know in advance, but Sundays may be the day that I decide to have these videos come out. Anyway, if you want to see the full stream of the video you're watching right now, I will link it at the end of the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.